You, a California business owner struggling to create your required workplace violence prevention program because you just don't know enough about violence and how it occurs to know what actually works to prevent it, then this workshop is for you. California requires all employers to establish, implement, and maintain an effective workplace violence prevention program. When done right, an effective workplace violence prevention program protects your employees and your bottom line from the harm of workplace violence. If you're like most business owners, you know how to run your business, but you know little about violence and the ways it can impact your workplace. Just one significant incident of workplace violence can increase employee turnover and absenteeism rates, raise your liability and workers' comp insurance premiums, cost you to incur costly medical and legal fees, and can reduce your revenue and profit for up to 6 months following the incident. That's where this 3-hour workshop comes in. Using the knowledge I gained during 30 years of conducting investigations into violent incidents and building cases against businesses where violence occurred, I'll take you through the process of outlining an effective California-compliant workplace violence prevention program that will help you protect your employees and your bottom line. Here's what we'll cover. 1, the assessment process of identifying the specific workplace violence safety hazards your employees face from all 4 source types of workplace violence. 2, how to determine the best approaches to address those safety hazards. 3, the most effective strategies for your employees to avoid physical harm from violence and the best ones to train your employees in. 4, the critical elements for a violent incident response, including an effective complaint and investigation process, preventing retaliation, identifying the best people for an incident response team, and ensuring accountability so that everyone knows their roles and how to effectively perform them. 5, rounding out your violence prevention plan, including violence prevention policies and violent incident logs and the required records retention. 6, California's implementation requirements for your entire plan. 7, workplace violence prevention training requirements so you know which trainings are required by the state and when you must do them. If you're ready to outline your California-compliant workplace violence prevention program that protects your employees and your bottom line from the harm caused by workplace violence, click on this link below to sign up and join this workshop.